All right, boys and girls, 5-minute lessons, and we're on to logs. Log is short for logarithms or logarithms. What is a logarithm? A logarithm is a way that helps you manage exponential equations, okay? So this is an exponential equation. It's not one we're used to, but it's just a true sentence with an equal sign in it, which makes it an equation. Now, normally, okay, one of these things is going to be a variable. You're used to that. And then sometimes we have to solve for that variable. You're used to that. So I think you're pretty comfortable with exponential form. Which of these things would you say would be the base number? Hopefully, you would say 6. See how that's like the base? We have somebody that's like built on top of it. Well, to switch to log form, you just identify the base, log base 6, and then switch the other two. So then the 216 goes to this side of the equal sign, and the 3 goes to the other side of the equal sign. So this is how we write that. Look, in log form, okay? Now, what you're going to find is that logs are used to solve equations that involve exponents, okay? So let's take a look at the rest of the assignment real quick. Come on. So this, how would I do this one? Well, what's the base? The base is 4. So I would say for this one, log base 4 of what? Well, switch. Of 1 over 64 is -3. Now, what if I wanted to check my work? I can put this in my calculator. Okay, let's go to my calculator. Log base 4 of 1/64. Okay, now watch. If I can't find it, it's probably under math. Here, I got to go down all the way to A. And there it is. Log base 4. I told you we're going to be using a lot of fractions, so alpha y equals enter. 1/64 -3. What does that mean? Well, let's just write it out and see what it means. Log base 4 of 1/64 equals -3. Okay, well, what's the base? The base is 4. Switch the other two sides. Oh, that makes sense. That makes sense because 4 to the -3 is 1 over 4/3, which is just 1 over 64. It's hopefully tying a lot of these things together that you've been doing lately. So when you get to these, towards the end, and they just want you to like evaluate, just put them in your calculator. You could do this in your head. I want you to know what you're doing, what the calculator's doing for you, but it's probably quicker in your calculator. Log base 2 of 64 equals x. So what they mean is 2 to the x equals 64. Well, 2 to what power is 64? I don't know. 2, 4, 8, 16, 32, 6th. It's 2 to the 6th power is 64. But I don't have to do that in my head if I don't want. I can do math. Math. Log base. There it is. What was that question again? Log base 2 of 64. And it will tell me the answer is 6. That's what's going on here. I hope it makes sense to you guys. If it doesn't, let's talk it over. Boom!